Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video is going to be yet another unboxing video. For those of you who are regular watchers of my channel, thank you so much. You've been seeing a fair amount of these recently, and this is the last one that I'm going to have probably for a little bit. This is the return of the final submission that I sent to CGC when I sent 3 different submissions to CGC back at the beginning of July. Yes, for those of you who haven't seen my other videos, you can absolutely send multiple submissions to CGC all in the same box. Just make sure that it's clear which books go with which submission. I had a 39 book modern submission with pressing. I had a 15 book 9/8 pre-screen, and now I have a 2 book signature series submission that just got returned to me here today. The signature series event took place at CGC, and it was with artist Peach Momoko. I like Peach Momoko. I'm not a massive Peach Momoko fan, but I do like her, and she's kind of hit and miss for me. Inside here are 2 of the same book that were a hit for me. So I'm excited to get these back. When I pre-screened them myself, it was my estimation that they should come back a 9.8, but there's only one way to find out if that's going to happen, and that is to unbox this box. All right, let's go ahead and see what's going on in here. Now, these boxes that hold fewer books from CGC have this kind of like flap on them, so they're a little bit trickier, different to open up, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Yeah. The boxes that come from CGC these days, it's like you do one slice and they're open. This one takes several slices, but we're gonna get there. Okay. Like I said, inside here, there are 2 of the same book. I like to show how CGC packs, and this is the right box for this. A little bit of wiggle room, but not too much. I think the bubble wrap is sufficient to keep from having too much shaky shake happen in transport. Of course, they have the cardboard on either side wrapped in a rubber band. We're going to get rid of all of that. Okay, I saw the grade on one of them already. But I'm going to reveal them in typical fashion, how I do normally. So let's pull out this one on top and show you what the book is. The book is World Tree, issue number 1. This is the 2nd printing, 1 per store, thank you variant. This is a really great cover, and as regular viewers of my content know, I'm a massive James Tynion IV fan. I really like this title a lot. This cover's great. It's very collectible. So I sent it in to get signed by Peach Momoko herself. I'll show you the grade this one got. And like I said, I already kind of caught a glimpse. And so I know it's a 9/8 white pages, which is perfect. Okay, so, and just to point out, I dialed in Peach Momoko to sign right here. I gave her just a very little space to work with. She has a tendency to bury her signature in the art a little bit. I've seen signatures in this part, and you can't see the signature. There was one where I was like, where is her signature? And I looked and I looked and I looked, and I was like, oh, it's just inside here. I wanted her to put it someplace where you could see it pretty clearly, and it looks like she did a halfway decent job doing that for me, and I do not object to the black marker that she chose. Okay, so like I said before, there are 2 of the same book in this submission. Let's hope they both get 9.8s. Like I said, they should. I don't know which this one is. I didn't accidentally see the grade on this one, so let's hope this also comes back at 9.8. It did. Great. So I am very excited about that. This one, she signed a little farther away from Fear's elbow there, just a little bit. I actually hardly at all. But you know what? Every little bit away from her elbow makes the signature more visible to me. And for my money, that would be my preference. All right, so now I have these 2 signed Peach Momoko World Tree issue number 1, second print, 1 per store variants. I'm excited about that. That's really, really great to have these in a 9/8. But now I think I'm going to do something a little bit risky, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. James Tynion IV is having a CGC Signature Series event coming up in the next month or so. He's going to be signing books at CGC with some of his collaborators that he works with, the artists, Fernando Blanco from World Tree, Martin Simmons, and Alvaro Martinez Bueno. I have these 2 books and 2 other books that I could benefit from getting signed by James Tynion IV and Fernando Blanco. They're all World Tree books. I think these are going to go right back to CGC, and I'm going to get James Tynion IV and Fernando Blanco to add their signatures to these. Probably going to have them put James right here in this corner and Fernando Blanco right here in this corner on both books. Let me know down in the comments, do you think that that's a really bad idea? Are you like, Jeff, you have 2 9/8s? Anything could happen at a signing event. They absolutely could get damaged and come back a different grade. They will get regraded. I will have them graded and I will have them pressed. But yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think having this book triple signed would be way better than just the 1 signature. So I think I'm going to do it. But like I said, let me know down in the comments, am I crazy? Or is it just kind of the obvious thing to do? All right. Pretty short video here today. If you like this content, likes are much appreciated by me. Please hit that like button. YouTube really appreciates it because it helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, I invite you to go ahead and do so right now. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.